السلام عليكم. أمس كان الثلاثاء، اليوم الأربعاء، غدا tomorrow إن شاء الله if Allah wills الخميس. أمس yesterday، أمس كان, or we can say كان أمس, was yesterday or yesterday was. So كان أمس الثلاثاء، اليوم today الأربعاء، غدا إن شاء الله tomorrow if Allah wills الخميس. And we're gonna go over inshallah today. We're gonna see what's the wajib later. So you have to watch the video, all of it, to know what's the wajib, and you will submit it in the October 28th assignment. So if you don't watch the full video, you're not gonna be able to know what's the wajib. Man, ana. Man means who. Ana means I. And again, in Arabic, there's no am or is and are. So ana is I, but in English we say who am I? Okay, but in Arabic we say man ana. So basically in this lesson, at the end, you're gonna introduce yourself to me orally. So there's gonna be an oral test that you're gonna tell me who you are. Man anta, man anti. Anta means you, and anti means you for the bint. We're gonna go over this together, but let's review the kalimat. Kalimat mean words. The plural is kalimat, the singular is kalima. Kalima. So kalimat, ad-dars, the lesson, the word of the lesson, kalimat ad-darsi. Kalimat, let me write ad-dars here. Ad-dars with the shadda, because that's lam shamsiya, ad-dars. كلمات الدرس, the lesson. الدرس means the lesson, and the word of the lesson, the name of the lesson is من أنا. الدرس means the lesson. اسم, again, say it after me. اسم. اسم. اسم means name, and it means noun. That was for homework yesterday. You did it 3 times in Arabic, 1 time in English. اسم. مدينة. مدينة, city. عمر. عمر, age. أسكن. أسكن, I live. طالب, male student. طالب. طالبة, female student. طالبة, female student. في means in. في in. مدرسة. مدرسة, school. And I want to add here أنت. أنت. Who can tell me ما معنى أنت and أنتِ? أنا means I. أنت, you for the male. أنتِ, you for the female. As I mentioned to you before, اللغة العربية has 2 ways of dialogue. Either the male مذكر or the female مؤنث way. It's not like English, there's only one way. You speak to the male as same like you speak to the female. Say you are a student, you are a student. But in Arabic, no. So you're gonna see together how it is while we're studying, inshallah. So let's move on. So anta and anti both means you, but anta for the mudhakkar, the male. Anta Muhammad. Anti for the muannath, you. For the female, muannath. Anti Fatima. Anta talib. Anti talibah. Anta walad. Anti bint. Okay? Balad. Balad means country. Balad, country. Jinsiyah. Jinsiyah means nationality. Nationality, jinsiyah. And we're going to learn all of this, inshallah, within the lesson. Lawn. Lawn means color. And I'm going to ask you about your favorite. So, mufaddal. Mufaddal. Lawn, mufaddal. Favorite color. Ta'am. Food. Ta'am. Mufaddal. Favorite food. Hiwaya. Hiwaya is the hobby. okay? هواية, hobby. So today, inshallah, the wajib is going to be the following. You're going to draw this. Don't forget to write. That's part of our grade. أمس and اليوم and غدا. You have to write these as well. Not only the days. So that should be your header every single day. So we're going to learn, inshallah, أيام الأسبوع. أيام means days. الأسبوع, the week. أيام الأسبوع by repetition. Okay? ثلاثاء, Tuesday. أمس, yesterday. الأربعاء, Wednesday. اليوم is today. الخميس, Thursday. غدا, inshallah, الخميس. غدا, tomorrow. So this should be the header. Make sure you copy it first before you start with your homework. The homework is, and you can do it within class time and submit it within class time, because this video is maximum is going to be 10 minutes and the period is 38. So you have enough time to what? To submit it in class time. You're going to get a ruler or anything to draw a chart like this. Al-huruf means the letters. We're going to find these huruf. And rakkib means connect. Rakkib with the shadda. Rakkib means connect or join. Al-ma'na means definition, which we learn all the definition of these. Just go back to your notes and I just review it with you as well. And then, so you're going to fill here, you're going to fill here. But when it comes to here, you may need to fill it in only one column. Okay, either under Lam Shamsiyya column or Lam Kamariya column. Don't forget to add the L, because that's all about Lam Shamsiyya and Lam Kamariya. And if you, for the Lam Shamsiyya, we have to put a shadda on the what? On the first letter that comes after the L. Don't forget this. I'm going to look 1 point for shadda I'm going to take. So if there's 2 points for this, you're going to lose 1 point for not writing the shadda on the first letter if it's under, if the kalima falls in this category. But if not, all what you do is just what? You draw a line and you leave it empty. Okay? So again, you have to make sure put the L and then place the word in the correct column. So for kalimat ism, let's try kalimat ism. Alif is a harf qamari. You can go back to your notes. You have the letters that belong to this category on in your notes supposedly and in here. Alif is kalima, Alif is a harf qamari, so it doesn't belong to this one. So I'm gonna go and leave this one alone. I'm gonna put the alif, ism here, and I say al-ism, al-ism, and I wanna see every single haraka here in your work here. And otherwise 5 points from not writing harakat, because if you don't write harakat, you cannot read. And here, the kalimat ism has a ham kasra, only kasra sound. I'm going to put the kasra for you to read, but usually it's not there. Not hamza, I don't want to see hamza here. It's going to be al-ism, just a kasra sound, okay? Al-ism. And then the rest you do it, same thing. So we have ism, and we have this kalima. When you connect it, you'll know what it is. And you have this kalima, these kalimat, and those also, you're going to find them here. If you go to Google Class, you're going to go under classwork, okay? If you go to under classwork, you're going to see men ana. That's the material. You're going to click, let me close this one. You're going to click here. And when you click here, you click on this one. And when you go here and you scroll down, you're going to find the homework, and you can just easy go on Google Classroom again, and you can stop the video and go to Google Classroom. Under classwork, you click on classwork, you go to the material Man Ana, and you'll find the chart here. You'll find everything you need here. You can just copy it. Again, it has to be nice and neat, and it has to be done with a ruler, okay? And you can just leave now. I'm gonna, in front of you, I'm gonna assign the assignment. I'm gonna call it October 28th, October 28th assignment. Okay, October 28th assignment, and you're gonna find it. I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna change it later on. For now, I'm gonna put just 30, and it's gonna be due today in class time. This period begin 1:07, so 1 and finish 1:45. So 1:45. You can leave. You don't have to stay. 1:45, but make sure submit it in class on 1:45 p.m. today. And the topic is gonna be for October 20. No, I think there is a new topic. Let me see what's the topic here. Topic man ana. I think it's gonna be down here. Yes, man ana. It's gonna be under man ana topic. And you have to watch the video to know the homework. Wassalamu alaikum.